Hello and welcome. Welcome to the box room. David Bradley here, pondering this microphone. Do I really? Oh, it's almost fallen out here. Do I really need this other thing here? Well, kind of. See, I have this microphone here, the little one attached to the cord of the big microphone, but the big microphone does nothing because it's not plugged in. But it's helpful. So I realized after shooting the last bunch of videos that I was really aimed too high. So I have adjusted things. Nothing like adapting quickly. So at the World of Commodore 2023, there was those wonderful people. Wonderful people. I may have shared this already. Oh, no, that's not it. Art by P. Seeley. Sorry, F. It's hard to see on here. Art by F. Seeley at gmail.com. That's ARTBYFSEELY. Sorry. Let me do that again. Art by F. Seeley at gmail.com. ARTBYFSEELEY at gmail.com. Look. It's a bear. And here is, I'll try and hold that close if maybe you can scan that. Anyway, so they had a bunch of things there, artsy things. She had drawn some pictures of the pet and also of Jack Jamil, and I don't know if they sold or not. I'm not sure how it went. Anyway, they also had, and they were giving out for free, World of Commodore 2023 stickers. That's lovely, lovely, lovely. I am pretty sure that when I get the car sort of cleared out and I find my helmet again, I'm pretty sure that you're soon going to see one of these stickers on the front. It's not that the other sticker isn't dandy. It is. It's just I am liking these better. Now, also, while there, people kept coming and bringing and giving me more stickers. And I thought, yeah, this would be good. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the helmet full of chips things anymore. Maybe I will do stickers. And why would I do that? Well, because they also had something called a sticker pack. It was $5. And, alright, how do we get into it? I guess I just rip it open. There we go. And in the sticker pack, there were a number of stickers. Also, another one, a little smaller, World of Commodore 2023. An Amiga ball. A Commodore logo. I haven't looked at these, so I don't know all it's in. It just, I thought, boy, that looks cool. It appears to be a Commodore 64. The text of a Commodore 128. Indeed. A VIC-20. These are all stickers. This would be looking to be like a VIC-20. This appears to be, and I'm sure it is, an Amiga checkmark. I have a story to tell about that. Not at this moment, though. Look, it's a pet. Maybe I need to, yeah, right there. It's a pet. I'll hold that back a bit. Like that. Ah, it's an Amiga 500. And look, here's a Commodore 64 and a Commodore logo thing. Beautiful. So, I have not seen stickers like this before. I like the ones I got last year, but these are quite something. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Beautiful. Once again, I mean, I didn't intend to get things at the show. I really didn't. But as you can see, I bought 4 sticker packs. These are epic. Epic, I say. I hope they do it again next year. And I don't know if they're available otherwise, but if you write to, hang on, get in there. Assorted stickers, yes. I'm assuming they're all the same, but I really haven't checked. But if you write to art by F. Seeley at gmail.com, that is ARTBYFSEELEY at gmail.com, perhaps you can get an answer of their availability. Not while at the World of Commodore. Perhaps you can. Okay, so now I once again, I've got to find my helmet. I will put these in my bucket of things. I will also put this tape that I found on the freebie table in that box. I really got to test it. And I'll shuffle some of these things away. This is the harness. I haven't tried the retro rewind harness yet, but I will. Look. Here's the chip puller that Al Payne brought for me. Isn't it lovely? It's a nice little... Never seen that before. The chip pullers that I had seen before were ones where you take this thing and you reef it on there and then you like pull and hope, you don't snap the chip. And that was not enticing. That is why I went to the screwdriver. And I suppose with some of these little screwdrivers, if I was so inclined, although that's not one of them, I don't know where they are. I guess maybe I have them downstairs. I suppose if I was careful and gentle, but firm, I could have, long ago, tweaked them, much like this, with this little angle, and said, oh, that's helpful. But I didn't. So, and once again, this was not done by that same artist, Frances Seeley. It was not. I think she told me who. I don't remember who. I think it might have been a laser experiment. In some ways, it's tempting. I mean, it looks burned. It's tempting to take a Sharpie and kind of fill it in some. It is. But anyway. And on the back, some other experiment of flowers. Lasers, flowers, and flowers, and lasers, and lasers, and lasers, and flowers. So, stickers were wonderful. There was the same man, I don't think you can see it up there. I bought buttons last year. Let's say I adore my 64. He was back. He had cookie cutters. It was magical. I know that Rudy of Rudy's Retro intro did get some cookie cutters. I really didn't have a good view of what was going on, but I'm assuming that other people did. He also had cookies. And I know that he said that after the first day, which was Saturday, that he was going to go home and bake more cookies, which is a good thing. Now, here I have some miscellaneous screws. Remember, I'm still trying to tidy up here. It has not gone well. But mind you, I've been busy with things. I have. Where are my little bags? I have little bags. I do have little bags. I think they're under here. Oh, under these. These. Dust coming off this. these vintage magazines. I think there are bags under here. I think there are. Are there bags? I thought there were. I feel something that feels. No, that's discs in a bag. Oh dear. Well, I suppose that this is a vintage magazine from 1970. There is something magical about not nudity, but implied nudity. There's nothing left to say. Anyway, I cannot find the bag, so I think what I will do, I did see, as I was tinkering here, there's this little wee box from Retro Rewind. This had the 64 4-in-1 diagnostic cartridge, and indeed it is a 4-in-1 diagnostic cartridge. It has two dead tests and two diagnostic tests. I have not yet used the magical harness yet, but I will. Anyway, I think I will put screws in there. I think I shall, as I tinker and tidy up here. And here's some stuff that can go away and be recycled, I believe. I wish I knew where my helmet was. I would put a sticker on. And you know what I might do with one of them? Because I'm sure next year it would say, wait for it, 2024. I might. I was thinking I might just cut around and do the logo with the World of Commodore thing. Maybe I will. This one got a little bit squished in my pocket. Maybe it is worth the experiment. Anyway, or my artistic interpretation, I suppose. Oh, you know what? I just realized the first 64 I looked at out of the car, I forgot to put the shield back on. Damn it. Well, it's kind of buttoned up. I will put it in my bucket of things, and I will see about that. Anyway, Frances Seeley is a fine artist, and I don't know what else she does, but certainly her stickers and other such things. Oh, I know what she made. She made coasters and Christmas ornaments, and I'm forgetting something. I know there was a drawing of Jack Jamil, and there were two pet portraits, yes, of the Commodore pet. So, as I say, I don't know if they sold, but anyway, she's a fine artist. So look her up. Maybe she has a website and see what's what. Well, I've got to go back to the car and see what I can see. Let's see what I can bring in, because I got to bring it all in and then let it attain room temperature. I haven't really had any trouble from cranking things up from the cold, but anyway, I do that. I do. So, thanks for coming. Thanks for being here, and if you're looking for stickers, maybe they're selling them. Maybe they'll mail them to you. I don't know. I would like to think so, because they are really great. And I don't know what kind of stuff they're on, but it seems to be pretty fantastic. I haven't tried to take the stuff off to put it onto anything yet, but I'm sure, even with my... Oh yeah, I can do this. That's right, the little things inside are a little small. Anyway, I will look for my helmet. I shall. So thanks for coming. We'll see you at the World of Commodore 2024. Whenever and wherever that is. But I would assume the Admiral Inn, first week in December 2024. Thanks for being here. Thanks for coming. Bye for now. See ya.